Hello, I'm Tomer Nahomi from Dell EMC, and today I'm going to show you a demonstration of deploying and scaling cloud-native applications with Dell EMC XtremIO X2 and Stratoscale. Stratoscale provides development teams and IT the building blocks to build modern applications faster and continuously scale to meet evolving business needs. Stratoscale offers a comprehensive AWS-compatible services suite and infrastructure as a service so that the data center is transformed into an agile, flexible, and scalable environment aligned with the public cloud. In a multi-tenant containerized application and DevOps environments, all volumes are virtually provisioned at a container granularity. Operations such as snapshot, compression, and other are not at a cluster or storage-wide property, but rather per container. This is a key aspect because it turns the application and operational experience over to application owner, the DevOps team, and not the traditional IT admins. Now, let's take a look at Stratoscale web interface, which called Symfony, and navigate through the different screens. As you can see here, I pre-configured our XtremIO X2 X-Brick as a storage pool for our Stratoscale application and set it to be the default block storage pool. If I go to our image repository, I can see a few images that I created earlier. Each one resides on a dedicated XtremIO LAN. Now, let's go to the Instances tab and deploy some new applications. In this screen, I'm clicking on Create and specifying a name, then selecting one of my images, which in our case is Postgres database. Next, I'm selecting our XtremIO X2 X-Brick as our storage pool and selecting the instance size and type. Here, I'm specifying the network pool and click Next. On this tab, I'm selecting the boot volume size for each application, the profile, the amount of application, which in our case is 30, and I'm ready to start the deployment. When I create new instances from an existing image, XtremIO creates multiple snapshots of the parent volume, which allows me to enjoy the efficiency and the speed of our virtual copy technology without impacting the performance at all. As you can see, the new volumes are actually snapshots of the parent image and consume no additional space. XVCs are implemented in a unique way which maintains space efficiency on copies for both metadata and data. Combined with XtremIO unique in-memory metadata architecture, XVC allows large number of high-performance, low-latency, read and writable copies. XVCs are efficient in metadata and physical space, can be created instantaneously, have no performance impact, and provide the same data services as any other volume in the cluster, such as film provisioning and inline data reduction. Navigating back to the Stratoscale Symfony UI, we can see that the deployment completed successfully, and now I am going to power them on. The integration between Dell EMC XtremIO X2 and Stratoscale allows the customers to rapidly deploy and scale stateful applications and containers by leveraging XtremIO's virtual copy technology, which abstracts the copy operation as a unique in-memory metadata operation with no backend media impact. XVC enables instantaneous, high-performance copies of any dataset in almost any quantity desired. It is entirely space efficient and doesn't impact the production or any other copy. Going back to the XMS UI, we can see that all volumes are already mapped. XIOS 6.1 has introduced a new feature called DRR per volume that calculates the DRR per volumes and demonstrates the actual physical capacity that is consumed by a volume or an application. In our case, Each XtremIO snapshot volume represents a single stateful application. I'm selecting my volumes and clicking on Calculate Savings. As you can see, each snapshot consumes 0 unique physical space. This powerful capability allows us to create hundreds and thousands of applications without consuming physical space at the storage array level. We can now go to the Symfony Instances tab and see the different properties for our applications, such as mapped volumes, monitoring, and more. As you can see, the application is up and running and ready for use. I hope you will find this demo useful, and thank you very much for watching.